Have you always pipetted like this? Technically, this is called the forward pipetting technique, and it is one of the two basic pipetting techniques. The second pipetting technique is called reverse pipetting, and it has significant benefits in some pipetting applications. When reverse pipetting, the operation button is pressed on the second stop before aspirating. This causes an access volume to be aspirated. When dispensing, the operation button is pressed only to the first stop to deliver the target volume. The access is then either returned or discarded. The access liquid makes dispensing viscous, volatile, and foaming liquids as well as small volumes more accurate and repeatable. Any liquid sticking to the plastic surface of the tip or evaporating into the airspace is escaping from the access and doesn't affect the target volume.